I'm Chef Dante from Anaviv Catering and Events, and tonight I'll show you a simple way to prepare this delicious, this beautiful swordfish from Riviera Seafood. First thing we'll do is fire up our grill. We'll start with our swordfish. This is a beautiful piece of swordfish. Skin on. We've got a loin here. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna break this down into the two halves. And you can see the bloodline. Now, a little bit of bloodline is okay. A lot of it is a little bit bitter. So we'll go ahead and cut a little of this out. So the swordfish skin can get a little rubbery, so we'll take it off now. You want a nice sharp knife. Take that skin off nice and easy. And we'll go ahead and season our swordfish here. We've got a couple of nice thick swordfish steaks. So we're going to season them pretty generously with salt, a little pepper, and some of my fish rub. It's kind of a Mediterranean seasoning of paprika, garlic, thyme, and chili powder. Make sure we get both sides. And then we'll lightly oil. And make sure to get that on both sides. And we'll put it on a plate. And we're about ready for the grill. Now our grill's nice and hot. We're going to want to find a place right in the middle. I set them down a little bit of a 45-degree angle. And we won't touch them for at least 2 to 3 minutes. The fish will come off the grill when it's ready. And these were some pretty thick steaks. They took about 10 minutes total. And I'll pull them off to let them rest. And we'll make a little tomato and basil relish to put on top of the fish. You always want to cut your cherry tomatoes from the top, from the stem down, not from the side. Get yourself a sharp knife. If your knife doesn't work, try a serrated knife. There, beautiful. So now we'll do a little bit of basil from the garden. So I'll take my basil leaves, roll them up nice, and we'll do a little chiffonade. You always want to season your tomatoes pretty heavily. They can handle a lot of salt. We'll get a little pepper and a nice olive oil. Just a little. I'm Italian. We like it. So then I'll take my little tongs here. We'll give them a good stir. It's nice. And a little bit of lemon. Give it a taste. And that's the salsa that we'll put on top of the fish. And now we'll begin our arugula salad. It's going to get a little salt. We'll zest another lemon. Get the juice from that lemon. And a little of our nice olive oil. Give that a toss. Perfect. This will make a nice, crisp, clean bed for our fish to go on. Top with our tomato and basil relish. Make sure we get a little of that extra juice from the bowl. And bon appetito. Grilled swordfish with the tomato and basil relish over arugula salad. Enjoy!